How to claim your airdrop on X Empire. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can claim your airdrop from X Empire. So first of all, you have to open the Telegram app and search X Empire, and here you can see that there is X Empire community. So click on that, and this is the X Empire community, where you had to open X Empire and make coins over there. Now you can see that there is no launch game option over here. That means that they have turned that option down, and it's time to claim your reward and through airdrop. So just go back and search X Empire, and here the before one was X Empire community, but this one is only X Empire. So you have to click on the one which is only X Empire. So after clicking on that, you will be redirected to this page. Now here, this is all the community where you can just claim your airdrop. So click on play, and it will take some time to load the site. Once it's loaded, you can see that if you have any coins to withdraw through airdrop, so here there will be some enough tokens for you to claim them. If you don't have, then this option will be showed. So that is how you can claim your airdrop of X Empire.